Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Wall Bag. Nowadays, many people love the idea of creating their own wall bags to maximize the space at home. You can choose your favorite wood type and color, which is more customized. And today, I will introduce you to the Better Case, a DIY solution for building a sturdy and stylish wall bag step by step. There we go. After we drill all the necessary holes on the back frame, now it's time to assemble them together. To connect the back frame corner, we need to use the Convermex screw. Each corner we use 3. For the back leg holes on both sides, we need to make sure it should be in a lower position. There are 4 cleats on each side. Screw the cleats and the rails together. Make sure it has a very nice and smooth finish on the edge. Next step, we need to assemble the back frame onto the back face panel. And next, we need to find a flat and stable surface and push the back panel against the surface. And then we push the back frame slowly to align with the head of the back panel. Make sure the space between the back panel and the back frame is even in 4 corners, and then we can start to fix them together. There are 3 stiffeners. Make sure the space between each of them is even before we mount them onto the back panel. These are the panel savers. We need to mount them on both sides of the back panel. The position is located at the top right and top left corner of the back panel. Remember, the panel saver should not protrude the edge of the back panel.